friends, today I'm gonna talk about the software of Arduino. So I am here in their website arduino.cc. Now go to software and then downloads. You even get the Arduino web editor, but I recommend to download it. Download the Arduino 1.8.7. So choose your Windows, Mac OS or Linux. Then download the zip file and unzip it. Now I have already downloaded it. Here the icon looks like this. Here I have the Arduino Uno R3. I have connected the printer cable here. Now go to the Arduino software. So now I am here in the new page. So now go to file, then examples, go to basics and blink. Now it opens a new page. This is the program for blink, pin mode, LED built-in output, LED built-in high, LED built-in low. So high means it turns on the LED for on, and this is low means off. So delay is 1000 milliseconds. So 1000 milliseconds is equals to 1 second. So it turns on the LED for 1 second and off for another second. Now take the USB and plug in the USB port. Now here you can see the LED. Now in your software, click on verify. It verifies the program. And even verify the COM port in which your Arduino is, and even verify the board. So I have already verified it, Arduino Uno on COM3. The verification takes some while. Meanwhile, here it is written LED built-in. So you can see the blinking LED. That's the LED built-in LED. So you can even add a normal LED to pin number 13 on Arduino and ground. So now it's compiled. Now after compiling, upload. So it uploads the code to the Arduino via the printer cable. So done uploading. Sketch uses 928 bytes of program storage. So now you can see it starts blinking for 1 second. Low, high, low. So now if I hit the reset button, it starts the program for first. Yeah. So this is the first program for every beginner in Arduino, and you can even type the code here, and there are numerous examples here. So this is the Arduino software video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.